I didn't know people watched Grease too. I ask a lot of people about Grease too, and they don't even know what I'm talking about. And I just land based them with a right hook. Just drop them right there at the club. There's nothing like the scene when he was telling the chick the world was gonna end. So she had to go down on D's nuts for America, for our pride. But nothing's like High School Musical. That shit was tight when that fat chick started dancing. I was like, damn. Some bitch wants to get accepted by the jock world, but she can't. She's just fat. That's not nice to say. I did say she was a good dancer. I thought the bitch was gonna break the cafeteria table. They must have supported it up there with some steel beams. You want the $100 I owe you? No problem. How about I just deliver it to your house right now? See you in 5 minutes. Appreciate everybody coming in and supporting me once I get a real phone. I'll be streaming here again. Ribbit. That means I'm still drinking alcohol. I'm at an AA meeting right now in the bathroom, slamming a six-pack so I can deal with these people's stories about their pitiful lives. Just shut up and drink. No, this isn't what it's come to. I've done 12 years on YouTube and I'm a legend. You little grasshopper pencil dick piece of shit. I'm a raging drunk. It's a big difference between alcoholism. Alcoholism was a disease made up for the weak-minded. Mind over matter. I don't have a mind, so it don't matter. Coming at you with the splatter. Telling you it don't matter. We're just gonna eat cake batter. Sonny V2's a pussy like his Australian kangaroo ass mother. I hit that shit sideways and he got pissed. Everybody go watch my Oompa interview. Everybody go watch my Oompa interview in Oompaville. We call it Choombaville. That dude's a nerd, but he did a good interview. That's right, Atmo for life. That's Oompa spelled backwards. You wouldn't know that because you're a YouTube sheep. You don't even know what the TikTok world's about. I'm a Chippendales dancer and I'm not taking my clothes off. Hey, there's my grandmother right there. I'm sorry, there's my mom. Hi, Granny Annie. How are you doing? Where did you get that picture of my mom? I always wondered. Wheezy can't fight, he's toothless. How is he gonna hold a mouth guard on gums? We're gonna put some Elmer's glue upside that jaw piece. Oh, pussy. I'm not mentioning my haters in 2023. I was talking about Wheezy the rapper. Why am I abusing my fans? You ain't my fan, you little fucking cum guzzling bitch ass pussy. That's what I love about YouTube. I can say to you, I face fucked your mom this morning, and now my dick smells like toothpaste. Maybe I should have waited till she got the brush out her mouth. Shit was rubbing up against these nuts. I heard your mom still plays that game Sea of Thieves. See if these nuts fit in her jaw. What's great is nobody knows what mother I'm talking about. I'm talking about my hater's mom. Her name's Piggy. Everybody become a member and follow Kimmy Cole on YouTube. She's the burp queen of America. It's good to be back, IP too. I love you guys. I'm not crying, I'm just doing cocaine. Shit's tight.